Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this Scafflogic training video. In today's presentation, I will be showing you how to use silo properties. I will be using Lyre All Around, and if you have a different scaffold brand, you may notice some differences in measurement and equipment used. Let's start by dragging out a silo line like this, and then bringing up the Content menu and selecting Silo Properties. Under Properties, we have the option of changing several parameters. First of all, we can choose whether to place the scaffold outside or inside of the silo line. Under Base Size, we can choose Top Lifted, which means a deck only at the top, or Fully Boarded, where we choose to have decks on all levels. We can choose our scaffold width, and in this case we will keep it at 73 centimeters. We have the option to apply a console inside or to apply a console outside. Let's go down now to the more advanced settings. As you can see, at the moment under Fitted Bay, we are set for Fixed Outside Guardrail, which is standing to 45 centimeters. This means that the system will try to use a ledger to align the line outside. We could choose instead to use user-defined guardrails or coupled by distance. Under Fitted Bays, we can choose what kinds of decking we want to use, or we can keep it on any, and the system will determine the best deck for us. And then we have the option of choosing to place special cut veneering on the area. We can also choose if we want inside or outside ledgers for more support. We can choose what type of sheeting we want, plastic or net. We can determine what type of sole plate we want underneath the scaffold, and we can even tell if we want protection in the top, for instance vertical veneering, or we want to have brick guards. And finally, we can determine if the scaffold is allowed to use anchors, base jacks, or adjustable base jacks. If we are working with a tank where anchoring is not allowed, that means drilling or welding is required. So we will use base jacks, which are automatically screwed in, holding the scaffold the whole way around the structure.